Today we are going to take a look at some of the most amazing usable tools. So, without any further ado, let's get right into it. 8th tool. WEN Joker Self-Adjusting Spanner. The adjustable joker is the universal screwdriver. Self-adjusting, grabbing, ratcheting. Many users want a universal screwdriving tool with as wide a range of uses as possible. It should be a single tool for multiple metric and imperial dimensions. It should automatically adjust to the different screw sizes. Pack safely, do not damage anything and enable a high working speed. The stepless and parallel guided jaws replace several individual wrench dimensions. The required size automatically adjusts itself when it is applied to the hexagon nut or screw. The integrated lever mechanism securely clamps the hexagon screw or nut between the jaws, which significantly reduces the risk of slipping and damage. 7th tool. Wolfcraft Work Table Clam. Sixth tool. Cobra Pro Electric Spinner. The Cobra Pro CP1020 electric spinner is designed with the professional plumber in mind. This handheld portable electric spinner can be used to clear clogged sinks, showers and tub drains, with 1 to 3 inch lines reaching up to 25 feet. The built-in drill motor has a keyless chuck to quickly lock or release the cable. The CP1020 includes a UL-certified drill motor operated by the trigger on the pistol grip and drive the 25-foot 5/16-inch music wire cable. The cable is reinforced with a nylon inner core for added strength and durability and is designed, machined and assembled in the USA. The Cobra Pro Cup 1020 electric spinner is a highly portable, quick, convenient solution to clogs and small drain lines. 5th tool. Nypex Cobra XS. Nypex Cobra XS is a length of only 100 mm. It is the smallest fully functional set of water pump pliers in the world and, thanks to its compact design, ensures accessibility even in the tightest of spaces. The slim head provides firm grip even in tight spaces. It says work with only one hand. Open, slide in, and it fits. Gripping capacity 28 mm, width across flats up to 24 mm at only 100 mm length. The Nypex Cobra XS grips nuts up to 24 mm and other workpieces as large as 28 mm. The grips are not coated to keep them as slim as possible. To ensure good grip, they are texturized on the outside. 4th tool. Sidra Drill Brush. This innovative shaped drill brush is constructed from 6 wire brush layers. The shaped circular brush makes short work of cleaning up round bar, rod, pipes, rebar etc. It has been specifically designed to remove painting from railings, to clean pipes and reinforcing rods. With its unique shape, the brush guides the brushing, rather than slipping on the profile. This makes the brushing operation easier, quicker, safer and the finishing better. The shaped profile is easy to control on round profiles, as the profile sits naturally in the groove formed by the wire brushes. It has a 10 mm shank, knurled for a secure grip in a drill chuck. 3rd tool. Wolfgraf Japanese Saw. This Japanese saw from Wolfcraft is a very precise cutting instrument that cuts on the pull stroke and can make cross cuts as well as rip cuts. It is made of rust-resistant tool steel, and its teeth have been separately hardened for durability and wear resistance. It is ideal for sawing of skirting boards. It has a long 2K injection molded handle and is particularly suitable for precise delicate cuts in wood, beams, skirting boards, branches, and plastic pipes. Second tool. Spinner Drive. We've stepped it up once again to make the ordinary, extraordinary, sleek, versatile and highly portable. Allow us to introduce the one tool to rule them all, the spinner drive. You can add all the bells and whistles to a screwdriver. At the end of the day, it all comes down to two things: grip and bits. Featuring magnetic fast swapping mechanism, the bits can be exchanged in a matter of seconds. Attaching a spinning wheel instantly allows extra time to be generated. The contact surface is also increased, providing better control and more efficient screw fastenate. Sometimes the smallest changes can make a world of difference. Traditional screwdrivers are one-dimensional tools that only solve one problem at a time. With the spinach, you're able to do more with less. We've also inserted a set of 4-bearing bearing in the compact body of the spinner drive, providing batteries, food, flotation to cope with delicate small parts, and making fine adjustments. With the tough additions, you'll be getting titanium nitride-coated bits for improved hardness and better rust and corrosion resistant. The spinner drive is really one for all for one. First tool. Ryobi Electrostatic Sprayer. The Ryobi 1 Plus 1-gallon electrostatic sprayer saves time, chemicals, and money. It starts instantly and with electrostatic technology covers large areas faster with less chemical usage and better results. The traditional sprays. By engaging the electrostatic feature, spray solution is charged with passing through the nozzle, allowing it to adhere and wrap surfaces more efficiently. With a comfortable backpack design and 1-gallon tank, it's ideal for spraying large areas with disinfectants, cleaning solutions, herbicides, fungicides, and insecticides. You just double nozzle has 3 settings for precise application of a variety of solutions and sprays up to 10 feet. It's powered by a Ryobi 1 Plus 18-volt battery and can spray up to 30 gallons per charge, so you can tackle any job. We hope you like these fantastic tools. Do thumbs up the video and subscribe to the Top 5s HD so you can watch such informative videos regularly.